the battle between Attorney General and Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen, no, do another level. Because Attorney General a press conference, but before now Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen and the Attorney General, Akoko court, say Attorney General no defamino or good anymore. Now court and stop your Attorney General from doing that in the future. Guess what? Attorney General file charges no. Attorney General a press conference. And Attorney General making new revelation. Ghana is an interesting country. Hi, Gossip 24. Let's also be a subscribe button so now I click about notification icon. So now I catch yourself. So pay Papa say ne order breakfast. And so china person order breakfast and ne order lunch. And that's what china no person order. And now say ne you make crano open dinner and supper. Contact say Las Palmas Food Center. Las Palmas for the delivery services about. I mean we deliver Indiana hold day jollof fried rice. Chicken, there now pastries, brodo. Last Palmas deliver here. Contact your numbers and that's screen. Some website so www.laspalmasgh.com. So if you are fans are motivated for the first time now. Oh yeah, elder. Oh, sorry.
People and people who are not successful is opportunity and how you are able to seize it to your advantage. But
any elder no and a learning now. Oh. The books of Attorney General and in several social media. So, name a role of player our Bureau of National Communications and the Edina Sabe National Signals Bureau. No. Now, Bureau of National Communications, now Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen, Deputy Director, and actually Onyibe Director. Our Bureau of National Communications in the National Signals Bureau near there. Now, the you may do what most are buying Kwabena into a buyer bay and investigate Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen. The you may do OD and as an order. Name as Director of National Signals Bureau. Our first name Bureau of National Communication. No more question marks will be our transactions be our so company be away your money or mudili and yard checks be a Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen issue and yard. Omu say a corner kasangasa nibuto. Until I turned down a press conference. I can say Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen or machino. Nearly Besrano or macho no swaka. Emma Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen lawyers and the assembly court. Say Attorney General chair what or much Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen any and family Kwemu. Omuja charge you into a court nation Omujam. Emma H. Attorney General need the appropriate bodies and the bail conditions to Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen so. And when the bail conditions to it is no. The lawyers also call court say, oh, a bail conditions or motiso. And you're too harsh. I say Attorney General authorities no asheda no person mafia Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen and then the Madam Angela J-Boati. Omungu mom, ade, anybody benko. Into the court no egu mom. Amen, there no kasi. Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen. You are granting the bill. You are granting the year's bill. And on the 24th of April 2025, Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen and the Madam Angela J-Boati, a Janiko Accra High Court say, Your Honor, Attorney General, Mr. Dominic Ayine, aye no mabia, and family crime. Tiamra, the Attorney General and say Attorney General or your Attorney General Papa Biasa. Your Honor, my church in Sibja. Me, Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen, and Mia Yijnai, Yanya Bonibia. Mimi Ubia, Masumo, my Ghana, for baby 17 years. What is it? Baby 17 years. IT for Nimpo year from the year 2003. And the UK, London and Montez will be in school. No, a lead support engineer or Assured Systems Limited. August 2005 to August 2007. Number Aikens Global PLC. Now I'm a head of information system support services. It's about ethics, minimum ethics. And so maybe people my Ghana ababe meduma. Me yere wo ho isu no. Or a construction specialist. Or also a businesswoman. Or into real estate, any business say cacao. Me yere nyi par boni yona. What's your car? When if you waka. Na Attorney General isu obi a odimu. Kese onimedwu oye. Or LLM. Onyafi University of Michigan. Or saso I am Masters of Science or law. Or saso or Doctor of Science or law. It is a ban say law. Mr. Dominic Ayine no onim law. Or say law nasi. But the Mr. Dominic Ayine aye ediatia or no. Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen and the Madam Angela J-Boati. I just said Mr. Dominic Ayine no we tutu ne yare. And no watch that person good ni masi. A good hofi. No betrim. You are na ichemuni ni. Echemuni na ne say. And I know to 24th of March 2025. And Mr. Dominic Ayine a press conference. Why a press conference? That's all Babeka. So no Kwabena Adu-Boahen no. I create bank account be a similar to BNC. Na or the bank account in Sika. Sika was a kwa ban hono na ebe no Kwabena Adu-Boahen ho. And na yere ne so ka ho. And omodi atoto ejapade. Any ade. Attorney General can't answer me with video. No, can't say so. Attorney General also publish a full text of in some kind of press conference. I say, next Attorney General or said that a plan A press conference, no. So be go on, Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen, no. Any mass. No, point 18. And I'm trying to be or say the defendant also published the full written text of the defamatory material on the worldwide internet. Into a side video, no, Attorney General publish a text, no. I go on no Kwabena Adu-Boahen new fee. But facts in here say, and some Attorney General can no, and you no crack, and you no crack, because omo constitution mo who quite say, so what? You the charge me too, so we are innocent until proven guilty. It's about plaintiffs, no. We are innocent until somebody declared guilty by a court of competent jurisdiction. Now, so Attorney General, no, echo press conference, echo for almost we are criminals, or we are fraudsters. I'm not Attorney General, yes, sir. I'm not Attorney General, yes, sir. Anyway, Attorney General no ni mi mrapa. Now, so Attorney General yoko for echo mo hubomu. Just say omo ti ono, Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen, and the yere. Edi omoko share yoko for cells. Wa bro omanji statement. And omo conclude matter na press conference. Anyway, I say at all material times, the defendant working hand in hand with the Economic and Organized Crime Office, Yoko, had arrested the plaintiffs and incarcerated them in the Yoko cells without giving them the opportunity to hear their side of the defendant's concluded matter. I went to side. No, defendant, Attorney General, I conclude the assembly, and you go to media. So, as also this written text, no, at what one thing. Now, Attorney General story or Obeka in no, I hear full story of fabricating story, no. And I watch it say that some more media, so reckless comments now, Attorney General pass here, no, and some Attorney General kaina no crib fear now, Attorney General can say, oh no, and then the Madam Angela do a J. Boahen. Ono Kwabena Adu-Boahen ene ne Madam Angela Boahen. National security for investigate omo aomachiatum. Ono ne yere no omo ye signed collaborators omo ye adwuma under National Signals Bureau Act no. What is it? But Attorney General no e di omo akwaye agenda. And it's what pretty bad image that from some ya conforming no mo share National Signals Bureau ho no mo. Ene sana samiti. I said, national security for investigating. In terms of Attorney General, I'm a national security for investigations. So, and Attorney General requires a press conference. Now, Attorney General is reckless or you're unprofessional. And some Attorney General can't know, and you know, you can't say, or no Kwabena Adu-Boahen or multiple passports, and you know, you can't say, no Kwabena Adu-Boahen, influence, and I say, or the son, the travel records me, saying a bit me evade justice, and you know, you can't say, no Kwabena Adu-Boahen, no, you see, commercially important persons, or more lunch, or airport, saying a bear, or bet me evade the arrest, because now I say, so we do permission into you see CIP Honomo, and you know, No, we who is Attorney General? No, I said that with many percent. Hey, this boy, I would deal with him. Into no said that yes, I know man can't answer no. Into unim say Attorney General that should be or by so yes, sir. Intend or back court honour say unless restrained by this honourable court, the defendant will further publish and or broadcast or cause to be published and or broadcast the set or similar words defamatory of the plaintiffs and each of them. Or say this a court in restraining Attorney General. Or when he said that to be Attorney General bet to answer a press conference. A good massively. It's court no, and for restraining on that and bet to Attorney General. So after so court in for Attorney General here example. Say you investigate you being real. Now you in charge in Nipana. You find Nipana ko press conference. I say, and can say Nipana comfort and of Faskawi and of discovery question. When you in charge in Nipana. Court in for Attorney General set example. Court no, and for punitive damages and Attorney General no. For the press conference no here on the 24th of March 2025 no. What's the so far order and to Attorney General so ne restraining no say in the future I want to be a press conference now for so court in Attorney General and for the lawyer hoka because lawyer attach yamo law firm no oh for more and nothing court in for the cost in ambo Attorney General no say asemia e beba court. So Dika court in Bua Attorney General for now for so court no Emma Attorney General chan lawyers so come on. Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen anu ensi. And Attorney General Edwane ɛkɔ Accra High Court saa wose me in charge with defamation na meyɛ ɛnyɛ hwee na ba Accra High Court nti the Attorney General and the Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen ɛkɔ Accra High Court ɛnra yehu Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen sɛ na ɔnante akɔ Accra High Court
Angela Adu-Boahen making their way into the court as the AG officially charged them for counterfeiting. So together with their lawyers.
Now Attorney General did them kind of honor and the charges ahodoɔ ɛna abɔ Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen. Na nya Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen kwa. Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen accused person number 1. Na yeye Madam Angela Adu-Boahen accused person number 2. Ma maybe one of your friend Mildred Donko or no see accused person number 3. And a company be Advantage Solutions Limited. And so accused person number 4. Attorney General your honor obechim. In chemo obechim in ane say Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen or 44 years old people. Life begins at 40. Or 44 years old people. No, yeah, more National Signals Bureau hono. February 2025 year, and I say Ojai the role as Director General of National Signals Bureau. No, bet you say Madam Angela Adu-Boahen, 36 years old. Ofi Kuntasi. Oya Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen yere. Enya na yere nko. Osa so ye director. Our company be ordinary Advantage Solutions Limited. Omo no ye accused person number 4. O sa case we mo. Na sa company no, Advantage Solutions Limited. Esa so ye shareholder of other limited liabilities. Under Madam Angela Adu-Boahen ni kunu ase. Na Madam Angela Adu-Boahen ni kunu kuya. Almost also directors. Our company be omato idi BNC Communications Bureau Limited. And Madam Angela Adu-Boahen esa so ye shareholder of sa company no. Into more than a wife. More than a wife. Say come about no come make us partners in crime. Na say dem will charge you with there. O make you say alleged partner in crime. Na ni poto so miensa, Mildred no. Enso ho bo asem no mu bi say, Mildred no ofi new Koforia or no so 44 years old. Utum so ne Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen and ebotipe. Na Mildred the first no a bank officer. Say a bank relationship officer. There's no odima Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen. And after so Madam Angela Adu-Boahen, and after so BNC Communications Bureau Limited, company, Madam Angela Adu-Boahen and Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen, directors. Now Madam Angela Adu-Boahen is also yes shareholder of sa company. No. Now the interesting thing they say, Madam Mildred, as also a director, on a third director, our Advantage Solutions Limited. It's your net say banking relationship officer keke. Who play a vital role our Advantage Solutions Limited honorable and so now Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen the position now one on anybody baby bako I say in the year 2020 on the 30th of January 2020 almost signed a contract be some cyber security system be about costing $7 million makasa story in the actual but I told you now it provide further particulars I was say I told you now say on the 5th of February 2020 director BNC extra check from accounts just a Fidelity Bank. Now, sa check no, I was saying komutia sa scan to BNC operation account. See, was saying komutia sa scan to BNC operation. Now, sa 5th of February check no, na 27,100,000 Ghana cedis check and the director na try. Ah, we free director na account mu. Ah, ke was saying ko BNC operation. I say ko BNC operation na check ko PM or UMB. Akwakoto BNC Communications Bureau Limited for account mu. Sa company account na Madam Angela Adu-Boahen ni ku Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen ebieye UMB no. And no na scan akwakoto. Instead of send scan back BNC operation account. Anko ho. Ekoto sa UMB account no. Madam Angela Adu-Boahen ni ku no ebieye no. Omo bisa nchiremu a na nchiremu eba ne say ISC Holdings for MI system for cyber security defense no system ni 25% dollars mu $1.7 million into equivalent to 27,100,000 Ghana cedis eti ekotia mi wa na scan am ko be also scan ko no scan ko da account a ewo UMB enye no kwa March enso ebisi on the 18th of March 2020 similar move Sika ne kopie BNC Communications Bureau Limited. Account Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen ne ye Madam Angela J-Boaten create wo UMB no. Eno na ye 21 million Ghana cedis. And also no was for ISC Holdings for contracting and no. Another time, similar move. Eko kopie mu another time, another similar move. And on 49,100,000 Ghana cedis. Eko accounting na wo UMB no. Omo further investigations reveal say almost sign a contract be on the 30th of January with ISC Holdings into omo tua sa sika no. Now so sika ne call ISC Holdings for na call BNC for accounts ankasa Fidelity. Na mum sika ne call UMB. Now so sa contract omo ka 30th of January 2020 omo sign any ade. Maybe assign ho. Omo ko check inventory. I just say inventory from National Security Secretariat teacher say equipment be anyone omo say be pay. Oh my God. Equipment be as ama. Enti na mo investigate no. No mo say Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen. Say no twisika ne ko baby fufuro. O twisika no e ko baby fufuro. O te say na nipa obo mo e ma de so mutumi twisika no e de ko na e check no e account ne de e kaka ho no. Aye Madam Mildred. Madam Mildred na ebu omo e mo mudi sa abone no. O see the money switch A1 and A2 moved from the national BNC bank account into the private BNC bank account were paid through a complex web of companies ultimately owned by A4. Inti Advantage Solutions Limited and they own these companies now. Your Bureau of Communications right? Okay. Investigations have revealed further that the money switch A1 and A2 moved from national BNC's bank accounts into the private BNC bank accounts were with the knowledge and active assistance of A3, Madam Mildred, used to purchase and construct various landed properties located in Accra, Kumasi, and London, and to buy a fleet of luxury cars. The funds were also used to fund the lavish lifestyle of the couple and their friends. Now, these are all charges, allegations, Attorney General making, and they're conclusive. Or the Akwadai court and say, weighing the material facts are gather on Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen, any Madam Mildred, any Advantage Solutions Limited. Omunya convictium. It's manager John Massa. See, Attorney General come on. Attorney General say, it's already March 20th, and arrest you. Or arrest you on the 21st of March, and Omochi A2, Madam Angela J-Boaten so. And then the 8th of April, and Omochi A3, Madam Mildred so. And Omo detain your muina. What is it? And a police for my caution statement. Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen say, the Omoke na ye ntro odina ye. Meanwhile, investigations show say, Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen denial and deny papa. When I am director of company we so company we director, company we bank account so. So why you deny the denial? Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen still not deny. Instead of moon say denial na from Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen hoba. Madam Angela J-Boaten hoba. Mama Mildred hono mo ba yina no. Masa omu dumi deny. Company no Mama Mildred o say ha as director. Madam Angela company we director, company we a shareholder, we a shareholder of company we ni na linking to mo. Mu dumi deny. Inti ende ohun say omo run a criminal enterprise. And so omo the Advantage Solutions Limited. And they run a criminal enterprise no. Ebi wo hono ma omo ye treasury, ebi wo real estate, ebi wo omo manufacture fertilizer, ebi wo omo rent luxury cars to VIP customers ni ade ni na ye kwa omo fa so. Ede fufa fasika no, omo fasika no mu de pia sha, omo fasika no mu pia sha, omo fasika no mu pia sha, and am ye fertilizer, and am ye say attorney that ni na no, kwa omo fa so ehu sika na mu wi aye from National Signals Bureau hono. And they call my private bank account. I didn't say no. And I'm fast for the ESR companies. I'm a boy. Instead of trying to and this answer way down in court. No. And also based on some way to know or charge you more. Charge the back up. And stealing. So we are buying Sika. Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen 27 million Ghana cedis. No. I almost say they call IS1, call IS1. Air chrono or we are buying Sika. Charge back on. So I also count. Stealing corner and no or the bomb Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen February the end chain and 27 million March the end so no 1 million Ghana cedis and also Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen area we real for your mind now count ne baako stealing kwana won say accounts emperodo a wo ye no and e account no but charge no e stealing into stealing kwana no Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen e wo 3 accounts e wom count ne baako so e de Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen ye on the 30th of March another 21 million Ghana cedis Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen atɔnye na se uriae ntimi yesa 3 counts of stealing your 1 charge conspiracy to steal say Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen adwen ho say sika puduo 49.1 million Ghana cedis obefa no conspiracy nkasa sika na ba Ghana ban ne hono it is aside stealing than chain conspiracy ni so no omo de abono defrauding by false pretense so 49 million Ghana cedis between February and March 2020 no Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen FI no quite far so fire so create Bureau of National Communications then their bank account na and defrauded by false pretense onim de no ye woefully causing financial loss to the state and also can say Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen sa sika nke bab Ghana ban sika o na Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen aso sika no e dey go on one bank account no nti no or cause financial loss to the state attorney na some officer charge no more. Another charge omedi abon no say you see public office for profit we are director of National Signals Bureau and as a Bureau of National Communication we are director no wo director no wo de yi sika if the director's bank account mo say aya say wo kotua sa sika no Fidelity Bank BNC operation na because we are director no ma wo kwan no wo yi sika no wo cho check ni wie no wo de sika na kwa share UNB wo de sika na kwa share Republic Bank opposition into the ma wo de yes into wo use public office for profit Bugana Mbraso. Another count. Collaboration to commit crime. Oh, Madam Angela Adu-Boahen, they all create now so far as 49.1 million Ghana cedis here contain. O collaborate here. O ka ho. Say no ukunu church check na o ka ho. O ka ho. O nim say ukunu check your church on ade. Sika ukunu ko 5. O ka ho. Collaboration to commit crime. Obtaining public property by false statements. O Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen. O ka say na ISC holding for na my cyber defense system no. What about him say entro? And also one charge on the bond. Count 10. Money laundering. Money laundering. No much him say Kwabena Adu-Boahen. And we hear Madam Angela Adu-Boahen. And I'm a Mildred. And I face Advantage Solutions Limited. Yeah, the money laundering charge a bomb. Say 49 million Ghana cedis. Neba no. Mufa akwan bi so e dey scan to ijapade e dey scan to luxury cars e dey scan be a company way e dey scan ye say e na mo ye scan say ni na na money laundry because sika no mo afa kwan pa so na nya sika no atese sika bone e na mo ma na da ne sika papa na mo dey shemu businesses mo money laundry omo dey charge abon na nim say the charge boss say money laundry ti say stealing no e wo say conspiracy so kan say wo dwen wo say obeye no and also your bone. And to Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen, no, the 8 charges and abon, the 8 charges abon stealing, conspiracy to steal, money laundering, conspiracy to commit money laundering, no, defrauding by false pretense, no, causing financial loss to the state, no, say or they public office, enya on wakasankasa no home faso, and after say all penny public property by false statements. It's no any 8 charges idea bono. As na Madam Angela Adu-Boahen so no, yeah the 4 charges and a bono. Say onini kunu or collaborate here to commit crime, money laundering no. Your friend is saying conspiracy to commit money laundering no, and now face so conspiracy to steal no. Onini kunu and omo conspire say omo be wia o my Ghana ejapade. What I say to conspiracy to steal no, Madam Angela Adu-Boahen count on any charges no. 4 and a Mildred. Any affair so Advantage Solutions Limited there. Omo involved in the money laundering. It's money laundering charge, you know, and a conspiracy to commit money laundering, no. Into omo charges, no. You know. Now guess what? Adia Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen and then the year Madam Angela Adu-Boahen court. Say court on the far order money restraining Attorney General no for making further declarations. And now I said defamatory statements, no. And the Attorney General say, or no, what did now court? Or back account. Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen. or catch a Ghana Water Company for. Say National Signals Bureau for. Ebe to am secure and fast internet near there. It's not Ghana Water Company. Every 2 weeks be no. Omutua National Signals Bureau no. 650,000 Ghana cedis. Mr. That's kind of way.
Our diligent investigation team came across yet another scheme hatched by Mr. Adu-Boahen, this time involving Ghana Water Company Limited. This criminal enterprise involved the purported provision of secured internet services to Ghana Water Company Limited by the erstwhile Bureau of National Communications, now National Signals Bureau. The contract document showed that Ghana Water was to pay BNC, that is the national BNC, the sum of 650,000 Ghana cedis every 2 weeks for secured internet services from BNC, that is the Bureau of National Communications. However, for purposes of the payment, Kwabena Adu-Boahen provided the account details of his company, BNC Communications Bureau Limited, to Ghana Water, which religiously paid for the internet services. In other words, every 2 weeks when 650,000 Ghana cedis of money from Ghana Water left the bank accounts of Ghana Water, instead of going to the National Signals Bureau account, it went to the account of a company known as Bureau of National Communications, owned by Kwabena Adu-Boahen and his wife. Okay? And then they did what they wanted to do with the money. So for every month, Ghana Water paid 1.3 million Ghana cedis to Kwabena Adu-Boahen and his company in exchange for internet services provided by the government. Because remember that the National Signals Bureau is a government agency. Now come to think of it, that the government agency is providing secured internet services to Ghana Water Limited, a limited liability company solely owned by the same government. And Ghana Water is spending money that they do not have, okay, to pay for internet services at that cost, 1.3 million Ghana cedis every month. In fact, the figure rose to 1.5 million Ghana cedis every month at the close of our investigations. Now, you remember that in 2020, Bureau of National Communications became National Signals Bureau. And so, because the contract documents stipulated that the payments be made to Bureau of National Communications, Ghana Water then demanded that the check payments be made to National Signals Bureau because of the change in the corporate identity of BNC. What then happened was that any time the check was made out to National Signals Bureau and it landed in the accounts of National Signals Bureau, Kwabena Adu-Boahen, as Director of National Signals Bureau, would then immediately write a check to himself and transfer the money. From our investigations, you can see the movement of the money. Immediately it comes from Ghana Water, he signs a check and transfers the money into his personal company account. Now, today something happened in court. Counsel for the defense told the judge that whatever I had said was a figment of my own imagination. But of course, he is entitled to earn his fee.
Then, Mr. Attorney General, Dr. Dominic Ainicha, Sasikani Nano. Now, Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen, your check no one demo. No, the other account, one can private bank account. Say, oh, me Ghana Water Company for Sana order and said that. It's a Mr. Kwabena Adu-Boahen, Madam Mildred, Madam Angela J. and Advantage Solutions Limited. Attorney General say we declare war. So or the more court. Somebody need the court or no dear or charge mo. A high gossip for which we are charging our comment section. Now I share video. I'm a for so you be a Magraheb.